Last I think 3 days, me break his story tremo say 24-year-old lady be one in kunu already 52 e wo Eastern region. 27-year-old lady. One in the boyfriend e plan say wo mo ebe kun ni kunu no. Na sansem na ye de abramo endra wo mo court e de o mo to remand. Na ensemo a APA etre say this is not even the first time wo mo planning say wo mo ebekum papa no. Mama wati ase, if today is your first time you are hearing this, I think I've given enough info on this, but let me just give the summary. Into obabi already 27, woni ni kunu already 52, wo ma wo miensa. Na woba na ene abrante bia na ebeka say woni papa bi already 50 date 6 months ni wo mo aye moja kafra wo mo eka say wo mo plan say wo mo bekum oba no ni kunu na wono boyfriend na wedi 50 no wono woba no wo mo achi aso aye de wo mo eye bia na 3 times police for information na wo mo de ba and they said 3 times nko a na wo mo aplane wo mo ye plan A, plan B, plan C. So wo mo aplane say plan C ni a wo mo beye na wo mo edi ekum papa no na nini na no utumi hu se sisia no ambem nti papa no utumi hu se wo no so de edi na chi no eso Nyankopon edi ne ho afofie. Now, one thing and they say, they na papa no boyfriend ye na just say wo mu bekum papa no sa particular day May 2nd na oba no eni ni kunu wo mu didi. It is that time no enanka boyfriend wo kwa akofa killers every Kumasi aba. Na ono so mistake awo ye and say wonya killers ne number na wo frɛ ye no wo kosi Kumasi police panyin bi ho. E na wo de na da no ye call ya ye kokate papa na be so beti asem na nti police for aba abonten tre say 3 plans nko. The first plan and say boyfriend no enyam pentoa e de ma wo ba no say won fangu eduane mu e ma papa no na papa nimbi na eno no de e boa papa no ne say papa no wo ye obi a enyo no pe e no di like just say wo didi papa no ye obi a enyo no kwa e no didi. You never meet him say wo no pe no didi de bia wo pe so wo ne mba ene ne yere e ne didi boom. Just say ade a wo no papa no wo ye wo fie ho no wo mbeto da say wo no nkwa akofa aduane bi dida bi say wo didi bia ne mma miensa ne nina e wo say wo bia etena ne nchen obi ade ne nsa boom e wo say ne yere nso enti eno nso eye den e maame no say maame no e de pentoa no ebegu aduane nim because maame nim say papa no de ebeye den pa say wono nkwa be didi obi enim de ntia papa no wono ankasa na brabo wo ye ne saba. You see how family eating crano etumi ebo papa no, because in that sense no na ka maame ne de gu aduane nim a maame ne nso di ne mma miensa ne nia edi me sure say maame no na ka papa ne kra na ko peso wo kun a me sure say ne mma miensa ne na no peso wo kun o mo nso. So that was their first plan, and it didn't work out because of the man's lifestyle. Because of Obano, Nikuno, the lifestyle, that plan didn't work out. Into the second plan, and they said, "Wabakwa kofa killers, every eye Kumasi, and no, and I walk off friend number now, a kosi Kumasi police penny biho." And you see how lucky the man is. So what try me say we have to be any we have more. Me will sumi tiaka say who nim the ekoso. Because you can't tell me say this is pure coincidence. Obi aya planning say ye be kun. First one pentoa ni name no went to me because no mba edidi. Just say you were saved there. Second plan so what planning say wo be kun ama wenya ewudifo number say wo frɛ. Wo ko frɛ ye no wo ko ye mistake ema number no ko see police penyi ho. Muti asem yo wokoye mistake no ene se number ni ko see ordinary person ho number ni ko see police penyi ho. You are telling me say bibi ni wi asemu. You are telling me say sa papa no bibi ni ho a ebo ne ho ban. No, bibi e wo ho a ebo papa ne ho ban. Personally, that's what I believe, because this goes beyond mere coincidence. First plan anyeye, second plan so wo the second plan no pra anyeye kra ye beti ase. But say see police so, and then let me tell you the third plan. The third plan, they say, Senanko, omo second plan na, womo fire, say, womo air fret, wudini be ewo kumasino. Say, I know so any ya. Third plan, they say, Nanka papano, boyfriend, was wonim in crofobie, ewo nima. Inti nanka wo disika, no what the 1 billion at all. Say, Nanka, what the back command nima for no, na nima for naba. Aba be deal, no. So that was their third plan. And you see how the second plan, you see police for the swintino. Third plan and bim. You see how so you are telling me this is near lack? No. The people who are a deep apanatia airborne the whole buying. Meaning, say empire no obo, say deyo, but obviously you can know that there is something protecting a year or ban no. You can clearly, you can see. Because Yan fan say second plan now wo mo fire na say wo mo free wudini e wo Kumase. Yan fan say e ko si wo bi so anipa ko no wo nye police. O de yan fan sa e ko si nipa ko wa onye police no free yo say say na nipa ko no beka say oh we a wrong number. Obo say afi wo be obefa third plan no. Third plan ne say wo ba enkran aba nima aba befa ewudifo. Inti nanka second plan no anye ya Nanko oba be fa third plan. O de yan fa ne say second plan ne kra no. Yes, e ko see police so. Now so yan fa ne say police no when you so ne nyansa. Anka say ma me de papa we na me hu ase me police ni me feel say call a papa we wa frame one call a papa we oye. Mitumi hu ne say wo opese wodi say ma me de no. Na me nya ne enchi ne ntum. O de imagine say police ni no and I see police penny be so. Now so we could see police be so. Say the police, the other kind of say wrong number nanka wakate. But I could see police penny, even even though the thing wasn't within his jurisdiction, he still went further and talked to the man on the kasaya for several days. As she shared this, send ya wo be kum papa no, eye ne ho say, wo no police ni ye wudini. Police didn't know mention at the eastern region. But when we ma ya chia branch no police ni na nkadi ni jurisdiction. Kobeka so wrong number na wakati kono. Na nka papa na akwa for the third plan. But you see how it all happened. I am just telling this. Omwa womo de omwa yo ma say womo njindi say wiase bibi bon krofo no ban na we no he. Say empire boy papa no I don't know for him. But say empire papa na yo boy. Agino. It's here for empire na jene papa. Hey! Because see all the just say a branch ne ye ne just say wo nim say papa we there. E bia na first plan anya adwuma. Why na just say what plan is say oh nipa mi koku ni say first plan ni second plan ni third plan ni. Hey, not just say when me ni say nipa plan no be ku no. When me ni say nipa plan no be ku no. And all the plans failed. Now the police for necessary, and it's a day now. One more air quakochi wabano. It was supposed to be that day. A papa ni bewu. Yan fan say nanka boyfriend no, work off friend no. Ne krese ko si ebi awudini na wo Kumase ne so a. Nanka saa day ni na papa ni bewu because saa May 2nd no eno ma plan so mekum papa no. Police for ko fie ho no. Papa no ene ne yere. Wo mu didi sre. Se papa ni tie mi a metu ne fo. Because me say oti asem na ye ne ya say eh so won no ngasa na yere wo ba wo da na chi woni na wo miensa air plan bibi say de me ka tre papa ne say he wo wasede bia won fa ma Nyankopon serious o wasede bia won fa ma Nyankopon because onipa da se ni se nkofo a plan ne wo bi aye black covenant wo wachi mojaka fra wo one oyiri aye mojaka fra ne nyama bebre wo mo plan say wo mo bekum 3 good times plans ni nina no e failure da Onyankopon ase jaisu na wusu no me de wa ka me jaisu no na mada Nyankopon ase because hey masa ebi mo na kasa na munya na ende me nka ebusuafo ya na nka ametso ale san na wonya ya na nka ndo ti ase. You see how So I'm saying people will just think this is lack, but me no, this is beyond lack. Hey, there is what's in Yamabisia, it is beyond being lucky. It is beyond being lucky. It is just say it is beyond the first one now. On it, the planning say we move kun no. Even that first one, na nke we say a year juma krama papa ne wu. But you see how it didn't work. And ye juma. Ye ne nim say we di go adwane ni mu a wono nso mba bewu nti won to me. And our car say ye yanko second plan so. Second plan so na eko me de second plan de me wan say eko akosi police penyin so ene na menti ase. Hey, this is but a mere coincidence. This is but a mere hey, Dabi. Just say papa mi obi a woni mewudifo woni mebi woni ma woni bi wokumase. Wo de imagine say na kanima de no na ko de second plan. Who say na bibia work out together for the man. Papa na ni isuo na wo so no wonja esu ate. Wonja esu. Mate say na yere no esrega na for say wo mo mpa choma no. Na me de no beba later me read this story no. Me read this story ne later na ya hwe say eye wo a na ka wo de be che na wo mfa nche no. Me read Ghana for so nsem a wo mo ka ewe no ho. Te for mo ntra mo adwo won nsem ni mo mo ntra mo adwo comment box ni mo me da ase.